Hey, your Samanath. So near all-time high. We are not touched the all-time high, but still near all-time high. There is a profit booking. We clearly able to see. And tomorrow is a monthly expiry, so that hangam also today took place. So altogether, it just giving fear that the all-time high dream is dissolving such a kind, or it is a mirage. So all this thing we will see in the chart. And one more thing significantly notable is advanced and decline. So advanced is 810 and decline is 200 and sorry 2300. Almost this is 1 is to 4. So it should at least inverse actually. So that also giving quite fear. All this thing we will confirm in the chart. So before further proceeding, before proceeding further, it's a disclaimer. I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. Whatever I am speaking here for educational purpose, just sharing my views. Always a good trader or investor have to do their own study and analysis and have to take their own decision. With this understanding, we will proceed. And once again, I request please do subscribe and like and share. If at all you feel this video is not relevant to you, please do share in your WhatsApp group. So someone will definitely will get benefited, and as well as this is a help to me as well. Okay, so today if you see Nifty minus 108 points, and large cap minus 134, mid cap minus 71, small cap minus 107, and micro cap minus 142. So all the caps are in the red. Nifty bank minus 32 and the Nifty IT 153 point positively closed. So this is quite confusing, but all this thing we will see in the chart quite detailing. Say about sectoral, except Nifty 80, that is a 0.14 percentage, 0.41 percent positively closed. Rest and all are negative. The significant negative is Nifty Realty minus 2.05 percentage. The next is metal minus 1.23 percentage. Energy minus 1.18 percentage. Consumer durable minus 1.15 percentage. If you see, almost all the sector are in red. So this also quite bit worrying. Let me see. So before proceeding, now we will see the first IPO detail, then we will see the regular market. The Sudeep Pharma is the main board IPO still open. The IPO subscription is going on since 21st and closing on tomorrow. So far, from the QAB, the subscription interest is quite less. Non-institutional investor 3.3 subscription, and the retail investors like you and me 1.5 percentage subscription has come. So if you see overall 1.42x subscription has come. So this is a pharma sector. So the scheduled listing is on 28th. Now we will see the Nifty. So if you see the Nifty, actually this was quite stable, but around 3 o'clock the downfall has started. Significantly it has come last half an hour or more, nearly 100 point it has come down. But overall, if you look at it, still we no need to come on completely on negative. The support is 25,650 is a very strong support. Until unless it doesn't break, we no need to worry about it. The profit booking may continue, so it may continue come till 25,650 as well. Then if you see the bank Nifty, so bank Nifty exactly consolidating at 58,800 and 59,000. So it clearly shows that it is not interested to come down. So this is one of the biggest positivity, because bank is very the highest weightage in Nifty. So this gives some positivity. Similarly, if you see the IT, it consolidating at 37,000. So it not showing any interest in the downside. So this is the second highest weightage in the Nifty, and the third highest oil and gas. So first and second is not willing to go in the downside, but anyway it should not break the 37,000, the current level. If it started rebounding, then 39,000 would be the target. So this two, bank and Nifty IT, gives some positivity. With that hope, let me see in the subsequent session. About mid and small 400. This is a mid cap 150, small cap 250. They collectively the single index, mid and small 400. This give a very good perspective about the market, and one of the reliable index. So it clearly showed that there was since last week and all the trading sessions, the micro small cap and micro cap not performed very well. So until unless we couldn't see any positive performance in this, we cannot expect our market will go in the upper side. So there is some profit booking obviously happen. The 20,000 is the it acts as a minor support. The major support is 19,500. If at all it's again further coming down towards 29,500, we can expect Nifty 25,650. So if you see the overall in our market, there is no negativity so far, but seems it is getting mounting up, or it just a profit booking. So that answer will get only in the subsequent session. If now we will see the big brother US market. Last session Dow 493 point positively closed, S&P 564 point, NASDAQ Composite Index 195 point positively closed. So it looks like arresting the downturn, because it has come heavily from the all-time high. So you can able to see the significant downfall. So this is a profit booking, or it is not profit booking, short covering, or it turning ready to turning in the upper side. That and all we will see. We will come to know only in the subsequent session. The main supported at 45,000. Similarly, if you see the S&P 500, this also giving some indication that the current level 6,600 is a very strong support. So it not coming down further. The next level support is 6,400. If you see the last two session, and not even last four session, if you see, this support is taking very well. So it is not breaking this 6,600 support. So that one good things we able to see. Similarly, NASDAQ Composite Index also, so it is taking a very good support at 22,275 range. So if that breaks 21,000 is the next level of support, but it is taking solidly taking the support. So uh, this support, taking the support, gives some positivity. Let me see. This week there are two holidays in US market due to Thanksgiving Day. Maybe those days, maybe our market may consolidate or may come down for a profit booking, and taking a breath for the upside movement. So this is how everything looks technically. Let me see. Now we will see the F&O. We used to see two stock in the gainer side, top two gainers and top two loser. With that sense, in the gaining side, RVNL and NBCC we will see. In the losing side, Samant Capital and CG Power. So everything we will see one by one. First RVNL. So if you see, it is in the clear downtrend. Today this stock positively 3.46% positively closed. Though quite significant positive closure, it not closed above the downside channel. So exactly closed at the channel resistance. So until unless we able to see a breakout green candle, we cannot take it up as a trend reversal. Similarly, NBCC, so it is consolidating between 110 and 115. Though today this also closed to 3.43% positively closed, exactly closed at the channel resistance. So similar like RVNL, until unless we couldn't able to see a significant green candle breakout candle, we cannot take it as a trend is reversing. Similarly, Saman Capital, we keep on saying it's a quite very heavy downfall, and 160 was a strong first level support. Now that has clearly broke. The second level support is 135. So trend it's in the downside only. Similarly, CG Power, we are able to see a quite significant downfall. The 675 will act as a first level support. This is not a strong support, but this is the first level of support. If it turns, it's well and good, or else it will come down to 650. 650 act as a very strong support. So with this we will close. So if at all you are considering any of these four stock, please do your own study analysis and take your own decision. So with this we will close. So before to that, once again request, please do subscribe and like and share in other WhatsApp group. So even unknown people, you can help them and as well as to me. So with this understanding, we will close the video. See you in next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.